Hi, this is my code for the class exam. So here in the ship method, I have a ship method here with private string, private name, string year, and a private int crew. And here got a empty method where public ship and some getters and setters for the private variables, which is get name, set name, get year, get crew, and I got a vessel detail here with public int for this crew. And why only got int? Because the ferry and the trawler have only int as their private variables, which is only the ship, in which they have in common with the ship as well. So, and here for the ferry, I've got a super method here with a private passenger, and the garrison setters for the private passenger, and then I'll write the vessel details from the ship and returns from the passenger. Same for the trawler. Obviously, I extend the ships from both the ferry and trawler, and private incapacity, which returns the pass, which gets the capacity there. It's private trawler method and public trawler method, and it has own garrison sets as well. And for the private capacity, and an override method to override the ship vessel details, and which returns the capacity. And in the voyage part, supposed to get an if method where I could just type in sails in the print method, and then it just gets the set name and then set crew, and obviously I have the ship methods, all the ship methods here, which to get the ship class and trawler class and ferry class, and then I set all the names, and then set the crew, and then set the year and the passenger, and then returns the ship. And for the captain, this is the main method to play it. I didn't get to finish it. It didn't get to work, and gets a lot of gives me errors. So I played it for a bit, and I'm supposed to type in the sail and supposed to get the name, the crew, and supposed to get the year. But if I enter the for the capacity and the passengers, it gives me an error, so I didn't get to finish it.